In this video, I'll walk you through a custom-built version of the Chrome Dino game using Python and Pygame. It includes features like jump physics, obstacles, power-ups, increasing difficulty, sound effects, and a leaderboard to track high scores. We import Pygame for all the graphics and sound, random for spawning, and OS to handle file checking for the leaderboard. Then we initialize Pygame, set up the screen size, and give the game a title. Basic colors and 2 font sizes are defined. The clock controls the frame rate to make gameplay smooth. We preload the jump and game over sounds. These will play during gameplay. This is the main character, a black square that can jump when on the ground. We simulate gravity by increasing a gravity value every frame. Jumping sets it to -15. These are red blocks that move from right to left. If they go off screen, they're removed to save memory. Power-ups are cyan-colored squares that appear randomly. If collected, they slow down the game temporarily. This helper function simplifies drawing text, like the score or menu messages. The game writes your score to a text file when it ends, then loads and sorts them to show the top 5. Show_leaderboard renders those scores and waits until you press space. This shows a simple menu. Press space to play or L to see the leaderboard. This is the core of the game. The Dino, obstacle, and power-up objects are created and updated each frame. Obstacles spawn every 1.5 seconds. Power-ups every 7 seconds. The speed increases every few hundred points. When the player hits an obstacle, the game ends and saves the score. Power-ups activate slow_timer, which temporarily reduces speed. This loop makes sure the game always returns to the start menu after each round, letting you restart or view the leaderboard again. And that's the full explanation of how this Chrome Dino game works in Python. Now, let's run it and see it in action.